hello to each and everybody. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Selamat pagi, selamat malam, selamat sore. Apa kabar, you all? How are all of you people doing? I do hope all of you are staying safe, or staying healthy, and most importantly, are enjoying life to the very fullest. Because yes, as we all know, life should be enjoyed, life should be celebrated, just as what we are going to do right now. We are, of course, going to react to, guys, the request of this one, as well as the rest of whatever TABOLA, BALE. Oh my god, that is such like a unforgettable, or like what, last song syndrome. I don't know if you call that Gen Zers, if you even call that these days, but yes, it's an LSS song. But a lot of you have been requesting for me to react to their dance video. What is it, a dance video or a dance fitness, as what it says here on the title of the said video. It is uploaded by Mark Kramer Pastrana. This is entitled TABOLA, BALE by Silet, Open Up, Jacson, Zeran, Juan, Reza, Diva, Aurel, Dance Fitness, Kramer Pastrana. Alright, so guys, before we even dive into this one, please do not forget to support these artists, okay? I will be linking the official the official link of the uploader to said video, which is once again Mark Kramer Pastrana, as well as the link of Silet Open Up, yes, and I will be also linking the link of this particular video on the description box below. So I urge you all to please come on, go ahead and support these guys. Like, share, subscribe, ask your favorite reactors to continuously do react to them, and yes, let's spread this guy's talent towards the rest of the world. Okay, so with that, are we ready? Are we all ready? I don't even know if I'm ready, because this is going to be such a hype, because apparently TABOLA, BALE is viral for some reason, and in a good way. Okay, so yeah, guys, let's go ahead and check TABOLA, BALE. Oh my god, this is such a great song, I'm not even lying. So without delay, let's go ahead and check this. Should we turn on the CCs? Wait, I love it. It's such an addictive type of song, man. Okay, that's all translated to English. Okay, go. Let's open up. Juan, Reza, Diva, Aurel. The moves, I can't. Oh my god, why is it so sexy though? I can't.
Yang punya kakak cakep pun nama barang itu terpakai lama, langsung tanya di kuku mama, ternyata ada nona kuku nama Maimuna, Maimuna lucunya.
Oh my god, this is so hard. I wish I know how to dance for real. such a workout. Oh my god, okay. You know what? I want to go back to show you guys which my favorite part is. Which dance step is my favorite? Let me see. Okay. I'm just gonna highlight the one that I think is my favorite. This is so sexy. I think I love this. Okay. BALE. This is so dope. Favorite part. I think this is the dance step that I like the most. This one, yeah. I think I love that. Oh my god, but overall, really, this is such... If you have not noticed, I'm smiling from ear to ear, man. Come on. I mean, if that's not testament enough that I'm enjoying this way too much, I think this is illegal at some point, right? But yeah, I do having a blast. I'm enjoying it to the very fullest. It doesn't feel like a reaction anymore. It's just like me having a great time, as we all should be doing. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I wish I know how to dance, because you know what? I'd be strutting my moves like right in front of you like there's no tomorrow if that's the case. But really, man, guys, I did enjoy this. Okay, the song itself, it doesn't really matter how it's being presented. The song is, I'm not saying they don't dance well. Oh my gosh, they dance so very well. I mean, like, wow, okay. But aside from that, they all are. This song, what am I even saying? This song is such really, a feel-good song. No matter how it's being presented, how it's being like delivered, it's going to like catch your attention in a positive way. And this is what it does to me every single time. So that's why it's always on my playlist. I mean, can you blame the girl? Nah. So yes, let's go ahead and continuously do support these guys. And yeah, if you want me to react to anything, write it down please on the comment section below. And with that, be safe, stay healthy, and I do hope to see you all next time. All right.